Hello guys, today going to solve October-November 2025 non-calculator paper 2. So let's start. Question number 1. Divide $90 in the ratio 2:3. Total ratio is 2 plus 3 equal 5. So 90 divided by 5. 5 times 1, 5. 5 times 8, 40. So 18 multiply 2 part. 18 times 2, 36. And 18 multiply 3 is 54. So 2 part is 36 and 54. Question 2. In the diagram AC equal BC, work out the angle CAB. CAB is angle. So AC equal BC, so angle A equal angle B. To find out the angle A, first find out the angle C. And we know this complete angle is 360. So 360 minus 142 plus 82. 8 plus 2, 10, 0. 8 plus 4, 12 plus 1, 3, 13 and 230. So 130. And we know the sum of the angle of triangle is 180. So subtract with 180 minus 130 equal 50. So 50 divided by 2 equal 25. So this angle is 25. Question number 3. Find the interior angle of a regular 20-sided polygon. The formula is n minus 2 into 180 divided by n. N is 20. 20 minus 2 equal 18. 18 multiply 180 divided by 20. 20 times 9 equal 180. So 18 times 9, 8 times 9, 72. 9 plus 7, 116, 162. Question 4. The area of the triangle is 12 centimeter square. The length of the base of the triangle is 8 centimeter. Work out the height of the triangle. You know the area of the triangle equal 1 by 2 base into height. So h equal 12 multiply 2 by 8. 4 times 3, 12. So h equal 3 centimeter. Question number 5, that is a transformation. Describe the fully single transformation that maps triangle T onto triangle P. So there are no rotation, no reflection, no enlargement. There are only the translation. So here we can write. So here 1, 2, 3, 3 left side and 1 side upside. So minus 3 and 1. So can write the translation. by minus 3, 1. Draw the image of triangle T after the enlargement of scale factor 2 with center 3 and 3. So scale factor 2, so that is 1, 2, 3, 4. So minus 1, 3 and minus 1, and 3 and 1. Question number 6. Find the value of 5 to the power minus 5 multiply 5 to the power 5. So as per the index rule, minus 5 plus 5 equal 5 to the power 0 equal 1. 125 to the power 2 by 3. So can write the 5 to the power 3 because 5 times 5 25 and 25 times 5 125, and its power 2 by 3 will multiply, so 3 cancel. 5 square equal 25. Question number 7. Simplify. Easy question. P by T, then this one will multiply, and T by 2. So P by 2. 3x by 4 minus x minus 1 by 2. 4 LCM. 3x minus 2x minus 1. 3x minus 2x and plus 2 divided by 4. So x plus 2 by 4. Question 8. The cost of one orange is T cent. The cost of one apple is W cent. The total cost of 3 orange and 1 apple is 51 cent. The total cost of 6 orange and 5 apple is 129 cent. Use simultaneous equation to find the value of T and W. So the first equation will be 3 orange. So write 3T plus 1 apple. So write W equal 51. And this one is 6T plus 5 apple, 5W equal 129. So this is equation 1 and equation 2. So this equation multiply by 2. So 6T plus 5T, 5W equal 129. 6T plus 2W equal 102. So subtract equation 1, 2 minus equation 1. So minus, minus, and this minus. So that just cancel. 5 minus 2, 3W. 9 minus 2, 7, and 2. So W is equal to 9. 9 times 3, 27. Now find out the T. So we have T, 3T plus 9 equal 51. 3T equal 51 minus 9. 51 minus 9 is 42. So T equal 42 by 3 is 14. So T is 14 and W is 9. Next question, the Nina walks at the average speed is 5 km per hour, correct to the nearest kilometer per hour. So nearest, she walks to exactly 2 hours. Work out the lower bound, okay. So nearest kilometer, so 1 by 2, that means 0.5. So upper bound and lower bound of 5 is 5.5. This is upper bound and that is lower bound is 4.5. And distance equal to speed into time. So speed is lower bound 4.5 multiply 2 equal 9 kilometers. Question 10. N is an integer between 1 and less than 8, less than equal than 8. The factor of 12. Factor of 12 is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 6. Odd number is 1, 3, 5, and 7. Okay. Find out the A intersection B. So A intersection B is 1 and 3. Number of A complement union B. So A complement means 5, 7, and 8. 5, 7, and 8. And union B. B is 1, 3, 5, 7. So number equal 1, 3, 5, 7, and 8. So total 5 numbers. Question number 11, write 2, 4 as a fraction form. It's very simple, 24 by 99. So divide by 3, 3 times 8, and 3, 3. Question 12. The diagram shows the sector of a circle with center O and radius 9 centimeter. The perimeter of the sector is 18 plus 2 pi centimeter. Find the area of the sector. Give your answer in terms of pi. So this one is theta by 360 into 2 pi r. And then equal to 9 plus 9, 18. 18 plus theta by 360 into 2 pi into 9. R is 9. 18 both sides, so cancel that side. Pi also both sides, so pi also cancel. Divide by 9. 9 times 4 and 0. 220. So 2 equal theta by 20. So theta equal to 40 degree. Now find out the area. Area is theta is 40 by 360 multiply pi r square, pi 9 into 9. So 9 pi. Question number 13. These are the Rahul's 10 test score. The mean of these score is 8. Find the interquartile range. Okay, first of all, better to write in the order. So 6, 6, 7, 7, 8, 9, 9, 9, 9, and 10. First find out the mean. So 9, 1, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9 into 4, 36. 36 plus 10, 46, 46 plus 9 and plus 8, 8 and 7, 68. 68 plus 2, 2x equal, this one is 8 and total is how much? 10. So 2x equal 80 minus 68 is 12. 12 by 2 equal to 6. So this is 6. Now we can arrange this one. So we have 6, 6, 7, 7, 8, 9, 9, 9, 9, and 10. So IQR equal Q3 minus Q1. So first find out the Q1. Q1 is this 6 plus 7 by 2 equal 13 by 2 means 6.5. And Q3 is so 9 plus 9 by 2 equal 9. IQR is 9 minus 6.5 equal 2.5. So 2.5. Question number 14, circle theorem. A, B, C, D and E lies on the circle. AC and BD intersect at X. Angle C 55 and angle X is 88 degree. Complete the statement given to geometrical reason in each part. Angle CDB. Angle CDB. So this angle. So this angle is simple. This is the triangle, the sum of the triangle of angle equal to 180. So 55 and 88. So 55 and 88, we can write 180 minus 143 equal 37. So this angle is 37 because sum of angle of triangle is 180 degree. Angle ABD, angle ABD, this one. So that is same segment, that is 55 degree. That is 55 degree right on same segment. Angle AED, angle AE, this angle. Angle E and angle C equal to 180 degrees. So 180 minus 55 equal 125. So because opposite angle add up to 180 degree. Triangle CXD is mathematical similar to triangle BXA. So we can draw the triangle here. CXD. CXD. So this is X, this is A and B, and X, C and D. So AX is 4 and DX is 8 and BX 2.7. So find out this one. So 8 by 4 equal X by 2.7. So X equal 8 into 2.7 by 4. So X equal 55.4. Complete the statement. The area of the triangle CXD is to area of the triangle BXA. That is 2a square is to 1 square. So 4 is to 1. Write in standard form. So write 6.6 into 10 to the power 1, 2, 3, 4. 10 to the power 4. Work out 3.7 multiplied 10 to the power 8 plus 3.7 multiplied 10 to the power 7. So here common is 3.7 into 10 to the power 7. So here 10 plus 1. So this is the 3.7 multiply 10 to the power 7 multiply 11. So 11 and 7 and 3. So 7, 0 and 4. So 0.7 multiply 10 to the power 7. So this decimal shift here. So 4.07 into 10 to the power 8. Question 16. Write down all the inequalities that define the region R. So this is y equal 4. This is y equal 3. And here 2.5 only, right? So find out the gradient. So m equal y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 equal is this is 0.5. So 1 minus 0 by 0.5 minus 0 equal 2. So this is the y equal 2x. So so this is y greater than 3 and y greater and equal than 4 and y x greater and equal 2.5 and y equal 2x. Question number 17. I equal m k square plus c square. Find the value of I. So m is 7 and 339 and plus c square 2 times 2 4. 9 plus 4 13 times 7 91. Rearrange the formula. So mk square plus mc square. So I minus mc square equal mk square. So k square equal I minus mc square by m. k square under root I minus mc square by m plus minus. Question number 18. fx equal 2x plus 5 fx minus fx equal ax square plus bx plus c. Find out the value of a, the value of b, and value of c. So, so fx, that means 2x plus 5 and 2x plus 5 minus minus 2 minus 2 2x plus 5 plus 5. So a square 2 that means 4x square plus 2ab 10 20, so 20x and plus b square 5 25 minus 4x plus 10 plus 5. So 4x square 20 minus 4 equals 16x and 10 plus 5 15 25 minus 15 25 10, so plus 10. So a is 4, b is 16 and c is 10. Solve 1 by 3 to the power x equal 9 to the power x plus 4. So write 3 to the power minus x and 3 to the power 2x plus 4. So 2x plus 8 equal minus x. So 3x equal minus 8. X equal minus 8 by 3. Sorry. Question 20. Bag A contain 5 white balls and 3 black balls. Bag B contain 3 white balls and 1 black balls. 2 balls are picked at random from bag B without replacement. So find the probability the both balls are black. Both are black. Both bag are black. So both are black are 0. The black are replaced into bag B. Kelly picks the ball at random from each bag. Complete the tree diagram. So this is the 5 by 8. So that is 3 by 8. and bag B is 3 by 4. 3 by 4, so that is 1 by 4. That is also 3 by 4 and 1 by 4. Find the probability that two balls are the same color. So white, white, so this one, and black, black, so this one. So 5 by 8, 3 by 4. 5 by 8 multiply 3 by 4 plus 3 by 8 multiply sorry. So 15 by 32 plus 3 by 32, 18 by 32. Question C. The ball are replaced into their bag. Joe picks the ball at random from bag A and place it into bag B. She then picked a ball at random from bag B. Find the probability that she picked the black ball from bag A. So suppose this is bag A. Bag A I have 3 by 8 and bag B is this is the so this is the black and white is 5. This is the black and white is 5 by 8. And bag B having a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this one. And this is 1, 2, 3, 4. This is black. So 3 by 8 multiply 2 by 8 2 by 5 plus 5 by 8 multiply 1 by 5. 5 cancel, 2 times 4. So 3 by 20 plus 1 by 8 equal 40. So 3 plus 5, 11 by 40. Question 21. 3 minus root 5 multiply 2 plus 3 root 5 plus equal a plus b root 5. Find the value of a and value of b. So let's multiply. 3 times 2, 6. And 3 multiply 3 root 5. 3, 3, 9. So 9 root 5. Then minus 2 root 5. And minus 3 times 5, 15. So 6 minus 15 is minus 9, and 9 minus 2 is 7. 7 root 5. So A is minus 9 and B is 7. Rationalization, the denominator, multiply root 2, divide by root 2. So 6 root 2 by 2, 2 times 3, so 3 root 2. Solve 2 by x minus 1 equal x by x plus 2. Cross multiply. X square minus x equal to x plus 4. So x square minus x minus 2x and minus 4 equal 0. X square minus 3x minus 4 equals 0. Make a factorize. X square minus 4x plus x minus 4 equals 0. So x minus 4 and plus 1 common. So x minus 4 equals 0. 1 factor x plus 1 and 1 factor x minus 4. So x equal minus 1 and x equal plus 4. Find the coordinate of the turning point of the graph y equals 7 minus 2x minus x square. Differentiate dy by dx equal minus 2 and minus 2x. So this is 0 equal minus 2 minus 2x. So x equal minus 1. So y equal 7 minus 2x minus x square equals 7 minus 2 into minus 1 minus 1 square equal to 8. Question 24, that is after in a diagram OBD and CACD are a straight line. O is the origin, the position vector A is A, and the position vector B is B. BC equal to 1 by 3 OA. M is the midpoint. Of CD, find the position vector of M. Give your answer in the terms of A and B is in simplest form. BC is 1 by 3 OA. So BC is 1 by 3 OA. OA. So that means this is 2 and 1. AC equal AO plus OB plus BC. O is minus A plus B plus 1 by 3A minus 2A by 3 and plus B. So C equal 1 by 2 AC. So minus 2A by 6 plus B by 2. And CM C 1 by 2 CD. So 1 by 2 minus 2A by 6 plus B by 2 is A by 6 plus B by 4. Now OM equal OA plus AC plus CM. So A plus B minus 2A by 3 plus B by 4 minus A by 6. So equal A by 6 plus 5B by 4. Question 25. 10ax plus 6bx minus 25a minus 15b by 4x square minus 25. Take the common from here. So common is 2x 5a plus 3b minus 5 common. So 5a plus 3b. Two x square minus 5 square. So 2x minus 5 and 5a plus 3b by 2x minus 5 and 2x plus 5. This one cancel. So answer is 5a plus 3b by 2x plus 5. Question number 26. 10x equal minus 1 by root 3. 1030 equal 1 by root 3. So this one. So this is 30. This one is 30 and this one. So from here and from here. So we can subtract x equal 180 minus 30 equal 150 and x equal 360 minus 30 equals 330. So 150 and 330. Okay, that's all. Thank you. Please share this video and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.